If you're hit by a police car or an ambulance in New York City, the rules are very different from a typical car accident. And that difference can make or break your case. I'm attorney Brian O'Connor, and I've been helping injured New Yorkers get the compensation that they deserve for more than 25 years. Now, in a typical car crash, all we have to prove is that the other driver was careless, which is also called negligence. But when the vehicle involved is an NYPD or an FDNY vehicle operating with its lights and sirens on, negligence is not enough. The law requires proof of something much higher, called reckless disregard. And this means that the officer didn't just make a mistake, but that they knowingly acted in a way that put lives in danger. And that protection only applies during a real emergency. If the vehicle didn't have its lights and sirens on, or if the officer was simply driving back to the precinct or the station house, then they're required to follow the same traffic laws as everyone else. When emergency mode is active, officers are allowed to speed or go through red lights, but they're not allowed to do it so blindly or dangerously. Blowing through an intersection at high speed without checking for cross traffic can be reckless, while a minor judgment error may not be enough. That's why these cases often come down to evidence like dashcam footage, vehicle data, and whether the lights and sirens were actually on at the time of the crash. If you were hit by a police car, a fire truck, or an ambulance, it's critical to understand what rule applies to your situation. Give us a call today at 718-948-3500.